It was a beautiful night with the perfect nice. My cough is from dabbing, not the coronavirus. COVID-19 shirt and the perfect wind. There were no clouds in the sky and it. Nice. My cough is from dabbing, not the coronavirus. COVID-19 shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies' tee for men and women. Tank top. V-neck. No need to laugh and stare at her the entire time. Or especially to take the bag of ice out of her cart. Who knows what is going on in her life? Maybe she is poor. Got her electricity turned off. Could be nice. My cough is from dabbing, not the coronavirus. COVID-19 shirt. Felt bad for her. Refilling your pop before leaving. Worth it since that takes half a. Official nice. My cough is from dabbing, not the coronavirus. COVID-19 sweatshirt. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. Hoodie. I went back to visit this last summer for the first time in 6 years and I missed it like I never have. Of course. It was summer when I visited. But I love the open spaces. The nice. My cough is from dabbing, not the coronavirus. COVID-19 shirt and antelope. And I miss being able to just drive without any traffic. I was born here. It's nice. There aren't many people or big cities to irritate me. Honestly. I ask the same of anyone who chooses to live in a city. Why would you want the noise and BS of city life when you could live somewhere that has more natural and fewer people? People are vile. They are the #1 cause of the evil and horror of this existence. Other products.